Hello students, today we are going to start the third chapter of Class 2 English. This chapter is a poem. The name of this poem is I Am Lucky. The narrator of this poem is a child. She is expressing her happiness to be what she is. She is telling us that we can all be happy being what we are because we all are special. Now, children, let's start our poem. The child is saying, if I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. What is the most beautiful thing in a butterfly? Can you tell me? Yeah, definitely. Its wings. Its wings are colorful and so very beautiful. So the child will be happy with a butterfly's wings. Now the child is saying, if I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. What is the best thing about manna? Can you tell me, children? Of course, its voice. The child will be happy with Mina's voice because a Mina has very sweet voice. It can sing. Let us move further. Now the child is saying, if I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Where does a fish live? Can you tell me, children? A fish lives in water. And what is the best thing about a fish? It can move here and there with happiness. So, the child will be happy to be a fish so that she can move here and there with happiness. Here, what is the meaning of wriggle? Wriggle, wriggle. Wriggle means move. And what is the meaning of giggle? Giggle. Giggle means to laugh lightly. And what is the meaning of glee? Glee. Glee means enjoyment. So, I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. So now the child is saying that she does not want to be anything other than herself. She is just happy to be herself because she thinks she is lucky to be herself. Let us move further. Now the child is saying, if I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. Now, children, tell me, what do you like about elephants? Yeah, its trunk. It can raise its trunk. So, the child will be happy with an elephant's trunk. Now, the child is saying, if I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Now, children, tell me, have you ever seen a kangaroo? You can see in this picture. This is a kangaroo. And what is special in a kangaroo? A kangaroo moves by jumping. So, the child will be happy to be a kangaroo so that she can hop or jump. Now, the child is saying, if I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Now, children, tell me, have you ever seen an octopus? Now, see this picture. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the child is saying she will be happy with 8 arms of an octopus. Let us move further. Now the child is saying, so I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. Now the child is saying she is lucky to be herself because she knows that everyone is special and she is also special. So she is happy to be herself. You all are special.